What kind of engine is this?
Alice.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got the block on the engine stand. It's back and it's time to put this thing together. Get this cover off. Take a look at the cylinders. Everything looks on point. I want to get a shout out to my buddy Wes. He's the one that did the machine work. An amazing time, might I add. Got it back to me in about 3 days, I believe. Completely machined. Looks great. I'll add his Instagram to the description below if you guys want to contact him. He's in the Bay Area, but he does excellent work, as you can see. So first things first is we'll get this thing outside so I can completely wash it down. I'm gonna scrub every part of this block before I start doing any work to it. But first things first, after cleaning it, I'd like to go ahead and tape it off so I can spray it, stop it from rusting. So let's get started with that. So my plan now is to go ahead and hit the areas that I want to paint with Prep All, and that'll remove any grease, dirt, or grime, so that I can tape off these areas, the bore areas, and the oil pan areas, so I can tape them off and spray them with black gloss engine enamel. That's the color I'm going with. And I think once it's all taped off, we can cover the areas with some masking paper and go ahead and start spraying. So I think right now I'll go ahead and hit everything with Prep All and start taping off. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys really quick. So I have the tape extending out past the block, right? And what you do is you do like an impression of the outline of the block. See if I can zoom in on that. See how there's an impression there? think this is how it looks when you cut it out with the razor blade on the opposite side. There you go. You see how I get like a kind of a perfect line once I use the razor blade? Just gives you like a nice trace. And that's it right there. Right, so for the water pump area and the rear main seal area, as well as some of the sensor plugs, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on Fusion 360, and I'll go ahead and 3D print some mock covers that I can spray and not worry about. All right, fresh from the printer. Got the rear main seal cover all done. Came out perfect. Goes all the way down. Got these plugs here for all the different sensors. Here it goes on the side of the block. Got one there. There's the water pumps. These are all gasket matched. And they just pop right in the original place of where the gasket would go. Just like that. And should be good to go. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. Everything is dry. This is how it looks. Completely clear coated. Alright, let's see how my covers worked. Here goes the water pump. Wow, got a perfect outline of the water pump gasket, and it came out perfect. Came out really good. All right, so I have these plugs here, sensor plugs as well. So I think what I'll do is I'll have a download link for these plugs. So if you do have a 3D printer, you can print them out yourself and use them on your own projects.